Forget login password and locked out of your MikroTik cAP device? Let's hard reset it to factory defaults in under a minute. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the reset button. Flip your cAP device and locate reset button next to the mode button, labeled reset. Step 2. Reset the cAP device. First, power off the cAP device. Unplug Ethernet cable. In power off mode, press reset button and then turn on power. Turn cAP device to front face and monitor LED lights. Release reset button while user sign LED lights start flashing. This takes 5 to 6 seconds. After rebooting device, default IP address 192.168.88.1 will start pinging. Now you can log in cAP device with default settings. That's it. Your cAP is now freshly reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.